Hello everyone, welcome back. Is this the app that finally fixes social media? Today we're reviewing Upscrolled, a platform some people are calling the future of social networking, but is it actually worth your time? So Upscrolled positions itself as a more intentional social media app focused on meaningful content instead of endless doom scrolling. It promises curated feeds, reduced algorithm chaos, and a calmer user experience compared to platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The idea? Less noise, more value. Let's start with the pros. Users appreciate the clean interface, fewer distractions, and the feeling that content isn't aggressively pushed by an addictive algorithm. Some early adopters say it feels more authentic and less mentally draining. It has minimal distraction reduced design, focus on meaningful content, and less aggressive algorithm behavior. Now the cons. Upscroll is still very early stage, which means a smaller user base, limited features, and slower engagement compared to major platforms. Some users also report that the app can feel empty at times due to low activity. It has a small community, limited features compared to big platforms, and not ideal if you want fast growth or virality. So the future of social media? Upscroll has a strong idea and promising vision, but it's not a replacement yet. Right now, it's best for users who want a calmer, more intentional social media experience, not mass reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.